Hi, I'm Guy from Inwise. In this video, I'll show you how to build a pop-up, that same window, form, or text that pops up on websites and apps, quickly and easily without investing in development or design. Shall we get to work? In the main menu bar, click on Pages and Forms and select Create Pop-up. Another possibility is to click on Create Pop-up in the Common Action panel. On Inwise, you have a wide range of pre-designed templates that you can then choose from and adapt to your requirements, or simply choose a basic template and design it yourself. After selecting the template, the pop-up editor will open, where you can design and edit the content, embed images, and design the pop-up that will fit exactly what you need. We will start by updating the text. In order to edit it, click on the text area. In the formatting menu that opens, you can change the font and text size. To update the pop-up background design, click on the pencil icon. A design menu will then open, through which you can influence the design of the whole pop-up. You can select the background color and change its brightness setting. You can change the style of the border and its thickness. You can set the width of the pop-up view on the desktop up to 800 pixels. Moving on to designing the form in which the visitors in your website leave their contact information and allows you to continue the communication with them via email, newsletter, text messages, etc. In order to change the fields of the form, click on the pencil icon. Then, click Edit. In the Form Editor, add an information field. Change the text of the button. And when finishing, click on Save and exit the screen. Additional information about editing the form can be found on the Design and Edit Form Guide located in the Support area. When clicking on the plus icon, a menu of Add Elements will open up. These elements can be added by dragging the element to the location where you want to add it. A detailed explanation of all the elements can be found in the Create and Design Pop-up Forms Guide in the Support section. We will add a text element and edit the text. Let's add a line element to create a visual separation between different parts. Now, click on the Next button and move on to designing the thank you page, to which our visitor will be directed after filling out the form. You can define what this page will include and even incorporate additional marketing content in it. You can choose one of three design options. Design by using an existing template. Design a thank you pop-up based on your pop-up. Or redirect to a URL address. In this example, we will choose Design by using an existing template. You can change the content of the thank you page, design, or back to the design option by clicking on the gear. Once finished, we click Next. Now, different rules can be set for the pop-up appearance. Choose a name for the pop-up. This name is for internal use only. In case you have several pop-ups on the same page, you can prioritize their appearance. You can define the frequency of the pop-up. The default is every 24 hours. We do not want to disturb the visitor to your site too much and drive him away. Now, define on which page of the site the pop-up will appear, and type in the URL of the relevant page. You can define it so that the pop-up will not appear on the mobile version. You can also select when the pop-up will appear, after a page load, after a page scroll, or specify the number of seconds the visitor has been on your site. This time, we will choose to have the pop-up appear after scrolling halfway through the page. There are additional settings to choose from: how the pop-up is displayed, appearance, or blink. Background color that will appear around the pop-up and its degree of transparency. You can also choose from a number of pop-up closing options and the location of its appearance on the page. What do you do with the details of those who sign up to the pop-up? You can automatically synchronize all the contacts that filled out the pop-up form to the contact list of your account in the InWise system in 2 steps. First step, you have to map the information fields so that the system can identify the information you imported and automatically link it to the correct field in the system. Step 2. You must select a contact group from the list of groups in your account, or create a new group. We're done. The pop-up is ready now, and you can just embed it on your site. Before publishing the first pop-up only, you must implement the tracking code on the website. Installing it takes about 3 minutes, and you only have to do it once. There are 2 ways to create the code. After clicking on the Publish button, a link will appear to receive the tracking code. Another option is to click on the icon of the little man on the top right part of the screen and choose Create a Tracking Code. And all you have to do now is copy the code and implement it among the head tags on your website. And the pop-up is published. If you wish to know more, you're welcome to read our guides and watch our additional videos in the support area. If you still have questions, our support team will be happy to help you. Good luck!